Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is basically to go over what colours we have chosen for our Class A Autograss car for the 2024 season. So if you're new here, we have been doing a Class A build. We bought it last year. This is the old colours. This is me in it, obviously. If you want a better representation of what it looks like, this is what it looks like. This is how it should be driven. So basically, we brought the car back to the new unit. Went over, started peeling off all the old stickers, got all the seats out, pedals out, basically just stripped it till it was back to literally bare shell, literally just the frame, so we could just literally change the colour. And obviously Lando was with us because, of course. So we are going to take the wheelies off. Sam found out that there's a big plan where you can put the pallets underneath and then it supports it enough so we can take the wheels off, but it is getting there. Sam's done a massive job of getting the whole engine out. I just can't believe it. Like, well, when we first originally bought the Class 8, Sam said to me, oh no, we're not gonna do anything with it the first year, we're just gonna race it. I was like, okay. This is us owning it for like 3 months, 2 months. Racing it, me once, Sam twice. So yeah, this is what it looks like at the moment. It's literally just a rolling shell at the moment, but we still need to get the arms off and coilovers and everything off, so it's literally just a frame. So just a little disclaimer, obviously this is all new to us, so if you're already in Class 8, 9, 10, something like that, and you're watching this, you're thinking, I wouldn't have done it that way, don't judge, because this is a very new experience for me and Sam. But to be fair, any new tips would be very helpful, so comment below. I'm not making excuses, but if you've got nails, like fake nails, and you're trying to get the poppers off the seats, it is so hard. Also, peeling off old wrap of parts is so difficult, and literally it was just coming off in these tiny little pieces. It was so annoying. Here we go, look. You're like, oh no. And yes, I know people will be like, just use a heat gun. Look, we're in a new unit. We don't have a lot of stuff. We're making use with what we have. And I have fingers. Once we finally got all the vinyl off all the parts, we had to label with cable ties what was going to be one colour. And then the other colour meant no cable ties. So now it's all stripped. We had to load it onto the back of the truck, load up all the parts that we need to take to the paint place, and then literally strap it on, drip it off, and then pray that it comes back looking mint. Strapping a car down that has no wheels is the most bizarre thing, because you think, where am I going to strap it down from? What am I strapping it down to? Like, it's so weird. So this is also the time where you should be guessing what colour our car is going to come back. All these parts are going to be coloured, so in literally like 10 seconds time you will see the new colour, so have a little guess, you'll probably be right. Anyway, off to the paint shop. This is what it looked like before, and this is after. Oh my god, it looks so good. The fade has been done so well, even on the seat. I know you probably won't really see it much, but it looks so good. And this is my initial reaction.
It looks so good.
Don't it just? And just like that, it's time to put the parts back on the lovely shiny chassis. I would also like to introduce one of our sponsors at this point. KM Styling managed to fit us in last moment and wrap some arms and the steering column, and it honestly made the biggest difference. It just made it look so tidy, and also we got a steering wheel that's gonna match maybe. But yeah, hit up KM Styling for any of your wrapping needs. He's brilliant. I just still think it's crazy how literally 3-4 months ago we were like, oh yeah, I'd love to have a Class 8, it'd be great, and then poof, here we are, full build, going for the Class 8. Next up, we have wrap that's going to be on the new panels, and I'll be doing a little video of like a wrap reveal on that, because can't wait. It's going to look so good. So once the engine in and it's tagged, we are, full blown ready for the race season. So we're going to try and aim for end of March, beginning of April. So watch out for the vlogs from there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't miss out. Bye.
My lifestyle so tragic, 21 and I'm still out here trapping. I really need to sort that shit out. I don't even ever take the bins out.